All right, my sweets, how many days are there in 1 week? Caleb, you need your mask up if you're coming over. How many days are there in 1 week? I got to text Mr. Birch. A parent's having a problem getting their child on. Can you come here, please? Sorry, boys and girls at home. I have a parent who can't get their child on. So let me see if we can help her. How many days in a week, Tamia? Yeah, sing with me, my loves. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Good job. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Awesome. My sweets, if yesterday was Tuesday, what day of the week is it today? This one that starts with a W. Mason, what day is today, sweetheart? You got it. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. All right, I need some of you to put your masks up. W-E-D. W-E-D. N-E-S. N-E-S. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. All right, let me see if Chelsea is on here. She is. Yay. Okay. Hi, Chelsea. Mr. Birch, come in. All right, you're on. Never mind. Grandma. Thanks for coming, Mr. Birch. Chelsea, it's good to see you. I know. The internet went out for a little bit. You are right. There are 12 months in a year. Sweetheart, how should we dance this morning? Fast. Okay, not too fast, just regular fast. Ready? Stay with me. Here we go. Ready? Set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Have a seat. I was hiccuping in the middle. Ooh. We are in the month of March. Thanks, Jaden. My sweets, it's been really windy these last few days, hasn't it? Yeah, that's why you see that kite. If yesterday was March 16th, what day is today, Zaya? If yesterday was March 16th, if you were to take people's turns, I'm sending you away. You know better, sweetheart. Not 18. What comes after 16? 17. What does 17 look like, sweetheart? Yes. And, sweetie, what shape comes after a circle? Not a triangle. There's no triangles up here, sweetheart. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Not a parallelogram. Help her out. What will come next? Jaden. Hexagon, our 6-sided shape for 17. Come on up, sweetheart. 17th. Awesome. Thanks, sweetheart. I need a date writer. I'm going to pick sticks since we put them all back in yesterday. Make sure your hand goes straight up, DeAndre, so you don't hit anybody, sweetheart. Tamia, would you write our date for us? Sweetheart, would you like help or do you want to do it all by yourself, my love? All right, go for it, sweetheart. All by yourself. Everybody's sticks are back in. I don't know. The stick must have read your mind, my love. All right, write the date, sweetheart. We're going to make sure that you got it all right. Jordan, that was nice of you. I can feel baby moving in there. He must have really liked your singing. Good girl. That is a beautiful M. Yeah, that does look good. Thanks for being a nice friend. Nice, neat work, Tamia. She's doing a nice, neat job taking her one friend who's giving you a thumbs up. And then after your month, then you need your, nope, not your year. You need your date. Today is what date? 17 is the date today, yep. Good girl. Then you need your cute little, you got it, babe. And then last you need your yeah. You got it, sweetheart. 5K, you're being really polite for her. Being so patient. Awesome. Boys and girls, say thanks to Mia.
Thanks to Mia.
She did great. You have some friends giving you thumbs ups. I love it. They're so kind. All right, sweet girl, you can have a seat. We're going to double check your work. All right. Read this beautiful date with me. No froggies this Wednesday morning. You guys look more awake today. Here we go. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is March 17th, 2020. Say happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
It is a happy Wednesday. All right, I need your help. Count with me. Thanks, sweetheart. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8. Ooh, what are we doing? 10, 9, 8. They do go back here. That's what the math paper told me to do, is write them back there. What are we doing, Adelia? We're going to count backwards here, but then when we start here and count up, we'll be counting forwards. I need someone to come finish counting backwards. 10, 9, 8. I need somebody to come and finish. I'm going to pick a stick so it's fair. So everybody gets a turn. DeAndre, would you like to do it again? You did it yesterday. Or do you want me to put your stick back in and pick someone else? All right, because you did that same thing yesterday. So let me pick a different stick, and I'll put yours back in. Zaya, would you come up, sweetheart, and finish counting backwards for me? All right, 10, 9, 8. What would go next? 7. You got it, my love. Good girl. What would go next? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Good girl. And what would go last, sweetheart? Yes, you got it. 5. You're being good. Teacher eyes, sweetheart. Awesome. Wow is right. Boys and girls, you can go like this and open up your mouth, because if you do this, it makes a wow. So just open up your mouth under your mask and hold up a W. O-W spells wow. Oh, you did great. One of your friends said wow, and they are so right. You did great all by yourself, sweet girl. All right, my loves, count backwards with me, and then we'll count forwards. But we need practice counting backwards. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, good, Ryan. 8, 7, 6, 5. Say good job, Zaya.
Good job, Zaya.
She did great. I need a day in school helper. You guys are really good at being able to tell me what these numbers look like. If yesterday was day number 117 of school, what comes after 117? Jordan. Yep. 118. You got it, my love. What does 118 look like? 118. She is just right. Good job, sweetheart. Can you go stick that on the wall for me? She's noticing the pattern. I'll show you in just a second when she sticks that on. Yeah, we'll keep going. We'll go down here then. We'll start a new row. Jordan, honey, you need to put it right next to it. Yep. DeAndre and Jaden. Thanks, honey. Come on over. All right. Look at the pattern. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 8. Tomorrow will be 1, 1. You got it. Yeah, it just follows a pattern. Good job. I need somebody to come. Caleb, I need somebody to come and color my 118th square. Now pick Prince. Prince Ellis, come on up, sweetheart. You can color my 118th square. And I need a friend to come and write 118 on my days in school chart. 100s, 10s, and 1s. Adelia, you did it yesterday, right? Do you want to do it again, or do you want me to pick someone else and put your stick back in? All right, come on up, my sweet. You can totally do it again. Can you write 118, my love? Tamia, thanks for scooching over. That's so kind of you, sweetie. Prince, nice, neat coloring. Now, you can have a seat, sweetheart. If today's 118, that means tomorrow is 119. After 119 will come 100, not 12. 120. Yep, good job. 120. Adelia, my sweet girl, what number do you look at to know if 118 is even or odd? The back. You see an 8. Sweetheart, is 8 even or is 8 odd? Even. 118 is even. Good girl. Now, let's do clock first. Today, I'm going to give you a time. Mason and Kylan, you weren't here yesterday, but we learned how to tell time to the half hour. So I'm going to see who my sticks pick to show me time to the half hour, and somebody's going to come and have to write that up here. So let me see. My stick picks Caleb. Caleb, would you show me 2:30? 2:30. I need somebody to come and write 2:30, 2:30. My friend who's writing 2:30 is London. Would you come write 2:30, my love? That's 2 o'clock. Where does the big hand go for 2:30? Yep. And then your little hand needs to go in between the 2 and the 3. There you go, sweetheart. Good girl. Boys and girls, say thanks, London. 2:30, 3 and a cup of tea. Now look at Caleb's clock, Mason and Kylan. You guys weren't here yesterday. We learned that if you count by 5s, you find out what number's under the 6. So if we start here at the top, then we go to the 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 2:30 means we went halfway around to the 6. And 2:30, it's moving to the 3, because soon as this keeps moving around, nice ear, soon it's going to be 3 o'clock. So the little hand has to go in between the 2 and the 3. 2:30. Let me show you guys at home. Awesome. I need somebody to come and count my coins for me. Let me scooch this down. Nobody can draw coins up there. You guys aren't that tall. All right. Hopefully my sticks pick somebody sitting so very quietly on their bottom in their square. My coin counter is Samir. Would you come up and count coins for me? Come on up, sweetie. That was very polite of you to say excuse me. Samir, what coin do we count first? Dimes or pennies? Nope, not our pennies. We count our dimes first because they're more money. How many dimes do you see, sweetheart? Awesome. Can you draw 7 dimes for me, sweetheart? Yep, with that one. Yep, 7 dimes. Who have I not heard from today? Can you count these pennies? Bless you, sweetie. Yes, sweetheart. I know your I know, honey. I know your allergies are bad. Trees are budding, and you just got a puppy that mommy said you're allergic to. Sweetheart, you did great. How much is a dime worth, sweetheart? Not 7. You drew 7. How much is a dime worth? How many cents? Can somebody help him out? How much is a dime worth? Zaya. How much is a dime? Don't pick at it, sweetheart. It's going to come up. 10 cents. Can you write a 10 on top of each little one for me, please? Thank you, sweetheart. Good job. Yep. Ryan, I love your teacher eyes. Helpful to him. Neat little 10s. Do you know how many? All right. Samir, Jaden said you need to make how many, Jaden? 6 pennies. Can you make 6 pennies underneath? Good job. 5K, what you can be doing, just leave that, sweetheart, is you can be counting these tally marks in your brain. So when I ask you, you can write that. Okay, how much is a penny worth, sweetheart? How much is a penny worth? Don't count them, sweetie. How much money is a penny? London. A penny is just 1 cent. Can you write a 1 on top of each penny? Good job. Count again. All right, sweetheart. Let's count by 10s and 1s with you. Can you step back just a little bit? Can you step back a little bit more so the kids can see? There you go. My loves, I want you to count with me. Count by 10s and then switch to count by 1s. I want to hear your voices. Ready? Set, go. 10, 20, good. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, switch. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 70. Awesome. How should he write 76? Please go get special soap. How does he write 76? Jaden?
7 and 6.
All right, sweetheart, can you write a 7 and a 6? 76. A 7, sweetheart. Make that into a 7. Go across at the top. And he can't forget his cent sign. You got it, Samir. Good job. Can you cap your marker, boys and girls? Say, good job, buddy.
Good job.
All right. I asked you to count these. How many tally marks do I have? I'm going to give you time to look again. I'm going to pick a stick.
5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. I need Jair. Would you come up here and write how many tally marks you see? Is it okay if he gets it wrong? Yeah, because we're learning. No, wait. Don't use that one, sweetheart. Use this one for me. Sorry, honey. That one goes on the other things. That goes on the whiteboard. There you go, babe. Awesome. Thanks, sweetheart. Have a seat. Boys and girls, say thanks, Jair. Jair, you left me hanging, babe. Thanks. All right, my loves, let's double check. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need somebody to come write 9 for me, please. Ryan, have you been up here yet to write anything? Come on up, sweetheart. Honey, no, he hasn't. I asked him. He hasn't done any of this, my love. Come on up, Ryan. Can you write a 9? You were so close, sweetheart. You forgot to count this tally up 5, sweetie. Thank you, sweetheart. Boys and girls, say thanks, Ryan. Say thanks, Jair. That was not nice. It's not nice for you to turn around and say you got it wrong. Because I make mistakes too. I made one yesterday when we were counting and nobody looked at me and said, Mrs. Bartz, you got it wrong. And that would have hurt my feelings. Please be kind, sweetheart. You wouldn't like that if somebody pointed out that you did something wrong, and it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Okay? Please be kind. I need somebody to go look out at the weather Did you notice that all the snow melted? Oh, that made my heart so happy. I like snow, but I'm so ready for the spring and the 50s and the 60s to be here. Oh, my weather helper. Now, if I don't pick you, I have 3 sticks left. You will be the first 2 that get to go tomorrow. So, my weather helper is the one, the only, DeAndre. Let's sing for you. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Mason and Nazir, you are my last sticks in here. So tomorrow you are the first 2 that get to go, okay? And then everybody else goes back in. One of you walked in today and said, Mrs. Barch, I know what the weather's like. Because you looked outside when you got out of your car. Ryan, what do you predict it's like? You're the one who told me, right? Cloudy. He looked outside when he got out of his car. Smart for math meeting. Prince, what do you predict, sweetie? Cloudy. Tamia, what do you predict? Tamia, I love your sentence. I predict it's cloudy. You just didn't say cloudy. You said, I predict it's cloudy. Kylan, what do you predict? Good sentence. Cloudy again. What do you predict, Jair? Good. Predict means I'm making a smart guess. Good job. Good sentence. Nazir, what do you predict? You also predict it's cloudy. What do you predict, Jordan? Yeah. When you were looking out the window while you ate breakfast, you saw it was cloudy. Mason, what do you predict? Sunny, I hope so. Those days are my absolute favorite. Makes me so happy, makes me awake. What do you predict, Caleb? Cloudy. And Jaden, what do you predict? I hope so. Hey, DeAndre, what's it like out there? Oh, that sky looks super gray. I see no blue. Let's sing. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. Boo-hoo! It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. I always pretend to cry when it's cloudy. I'm not actually crying. I just wish it was sunny all the time. Hey, DeAndre, you're my weather helper, babe. What kind of weather has the most? No, rainy and snowy don't have the most. Who has the most? Yeah, listen carefully to my question, silly goose. Who has the second most? No, if sunny has the most, who has the second most? Not rainy and snowy. Cloudy. And then who has the least? Rainy, snowy. How many more sunny than cloudy days are there? Here's where cloudy stops. So how many more sunny days do you see? How many more sunny days do you see? 5. No, not 5. Don't count all the sunnies. You're looking at how many more sunny than cloudy. So you're looking where the cloudies stop. How many more sunny pictures do you see? 2. There's 2 more. Good. My sweets, very carefully and quietly. Stand in your squares. Oh, you were so cute. DeAndre, I want you to pick somebody that you see that's standing in their square. If they're not in their square, you can't pick them. Pick a friend who's standing in their square to tell us what we should count by first. Oh, that was so nice of you. She was not here yesterday. Kind of, my love. Would you like 10s, evens, odds, or 5s? Odds. All right, my love. What should we do while we count odds? Stomp. We haven't stomped in a long time. My love, stomping is easy because your feet can move. Not yet, Samir, honey. And you can keep your eyes right here. So you were saying all of the right numbers. Are you ready? Starting at 1. Ready? Stomping set. Go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. We got to do that again. I heard 14, 16s, and 18s. Oopsie, oopsie. All right, count with me at 11. No stomping, just count. Ready, set, go. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. Kylan, pick someone who's standing in their square to tell us what we should count by next. London, what should we count by next, sweetheart? We did odds. Evens. What should we do while we count evens, sweetie? Oh, all the time I knock that off. Snap? Ooh, we have not snapped in a while either. I like you guys are picking. If you don't know how to snap, just pretend, because nobody knows you don't know. So just pretend. We'll all think you know how. All right, we're not snapping yet, though, my sweets. Look while you snap. Okay, at 0. Ready, set, go. 0, look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good. London, pick a friend who's standing in their square to tell us what we should count by next. Prince, would you like 10s or 5s? Miss Johnson's way or normal? Just normal. Let's clap while we do it normal. And I'm not going to count by 2s today. I'm not going to mess up. Yesterday I said let's count by 10s. I started counting by 2s. Woo! Crazy Mrs. Barch. 10, starting at 0, clapping. Ready, set, go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome. Prince, pick our last friend who's going to tell us what we're going to count by. Zaya?
No,
Jaden, I'm sorry. Jaden, what's left, my love? 5. Sweetheart, do you want to go to 50 or 100?
100.
Ooh, you can do it. If I wave at you, wave back. Ready, set, go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Were you waving to my baby?
Yeah.
Thanks, Saya. Okay. My sweets, you may have a seat. Carefully go to your square. You guys did great. I need a Prince to go line up on the X and pick a friend who's sitting in the square crisscross applesauce to join you in line. My sweets at home, thanks for joining. I see you all are on. I marked you all present for school. We'll see you in 20 minutes for reading. Bye, my sweets. All right.